What's up everyone and welcome to the club. Valentine is just around the corner, so today we're going to be drawing a Cupid crewmate from Among Us. Let's get started in the center of our page and draw on the visor. We're going to start right in the middle, draw a curve that goes up, and then just bend that down on the outside, and it'll round out the side of the visor. On the left, go out and then in, do the same thing on the right, and then we'll close off the bottom. Starting back on the left, we come down, and then up. Let's go to the top right side of the visor and draw on the top of the head. So we start right here. Just going to curve this up, round out the head, and then just bring that down on the left side. Now bring the body coming down towards the bottom of the feet. Just going to bend this around, down, and then in. Now before we draw in the rest of the body, we're going to overlap the hands and the bow. Let's start halfway between the visor and the bottom of the feet, right in the center of the body. Let's start with the palm. Just going to curve this down, and then up. And then we'll layer 3 fingers along the outside, starting from the bottom, curve down and then up, step down, go out, and then in, step down again, draw on the top of the hand, going up, around, and then down on the back of the hand. And then we'll line up the top of the hand on the right side, draw the top of the hand going up, and bend the thumb coming down, round out the thumb, and then pull that back up. Now we're going to draw the arrow going from the hand over towards the right side. So let's start up here, draw a straight line going across in behind the thumb, step down and draw that twice. And then we'll stack 3 fingers along the outside. Starting from the side of the thumb, draw a half oval, going out and then in, step down, draw that again, going up underneath the thumb. We'll do that one more time. Let's add a heart-shaped arrowhead on the right side. So we're going to line up this line, start with a point, curve in, up, and then out, go back down towards the bottom, go around the bottom, and then back up. And then we'll extend the arrow going in behind the arrowhead. From the fingers, draw 2 short lines. Let's layer the bow in behind the hand. Starting from the top of the thumb, curve in, up. I'm just going to swirl this around, going around and then back up. Let's take that and flip it over on the bottom, curving in and then out, rounding this out and swirling that back in. Let's go to the bottom of that swirl, curve in and then out in behind the fingers, and same thing along the bottom. And we'll close off the bottom of the hand. I'm just going to line this up, come down, and then out in behind the bow. Let's add the string coming from the hand up towards the top and bottom of the bow. So we're going to start up here, draw a straight angle line, going all the way up, come down towards the bottom, come down towards the bottom of the bow. Now that we've drawn the hands and the bow, let's draw on the right side of the body. We start underneath the visor, come straight down, bend that in behind the arrow, continue along the bottom, down towards the bottom of the feet. And then we'll round out the bottom of the feet. Starting on the left, curve down and then up, go to the right side, do the same thing. Want to leave a gap in between the feet. And then from the left side, draw a straight line going up towards the body, and curve the body going out and up towards the right. Go to the inside of the right leg, draw a straight line going up underneath the body. Now I want to separate the bottom of the feet. Starting on the left, step up, draw that same curve of the foot, coming down and then up on both sides. Let's draw the top edge of the rope. We're going to start from the top of the body on the right, curve down, across in behind the hand, continue on the left, going out and cross. Let's move over towards the left and add the wings. We're going to start on the side of the body, start by curving up, and then bend that down. We'll bend the wing going back up towards the tip. Now we're going to add the feathers. Starting from the top, come down, bend that in, step down, draw that again. Come down, bend that in. We'll do that one more time. Come down, and then up, in behind the body. Let's layer another wing in behind. We'll step up, draw that same curve. We're going to go up, and then bend that down. Bend the wing going up towards the tip, and we'll pull the wing coming down and then in behind. We're also going to add the backpack in behind the wing, starting down here, come down and then in, draw the bottom coming down and in behind the body. Let's go all the way up to the top and draw an oval for the halo. We start right in the middle, go out toward the left, across the bottom, up along the right, and then back in towards the middle. And then we'll trace that oval along the inside. Start from the top, go all the way around, and then back up. Let's add a shadow across the left side of the body. Starting up here, it's going to curve this down, pull that in behind the hand. We're also going to add a shadow across the bottom of the visor. Starting on the top left, come down, across, and pull that up on the right. And that's pretty much it. There's our Cupid crewmate from Among Us. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. Make sure you subscribe and hit that like. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you again soon.